Wow. Hello guys, welcome back. And this is Osmosis FX, and let's look into the XY for this week, expectation for the XY for this week. And we have so much news this week, this calendar week. We have power speech today, Fed Chow power speech 2:30, which is New York session, and Wednesday is going to be a very hot day for USD. So Friday, non-farm employment change, you know how it is. So let's go through what the chart has for us, and let's see how we can then sync that with the news. So let's start with weekly time frame. So let's see what the weekly time frame is doing. All right, so back to what we've been doing. We've been in this position for at least a couple of months. So we've initiated a sweep, a change of character. We returned to the other block. We started moving in an ascending way, and presently price didn't fall out of the trend. We are presently heading higher, so my view for the XY is positively green. I want to see buys on the XY. So especially we need to take out this first high. This first high needs to go, and if you look closely, we have a double top at that high, relatively double top. Yeah, we need to take out that high, and also this change of character high is the main target. So I can say we need to take out that that high, because that high is responsible for a lot of move. So this high is the general view that price is magneting to. So this high is a major high that needs to be taken. What price is that? That's about, let me make it a round figure, 348 for 950. So 107,350. That's a good price. So I'm expecting price to take out 107,350. But over the week we have, this is 2 weeks candle now. This is 1, 2, 3. So this last week we didn't close above, but you can see this week alone we are out of it. We are out. So expectation is for us to close. I use multiple system on this account, so when my system is on and this one is on, it links to each other. That's why it's bringing out this session. So previous week high is taken. Expectation now is for price to take out this week break up market structure. So yes, this is a major magnet. This is a major magnet that we must crush. We must take this out. So expectation for me this week is for us to take out 105, 106, 520. Yeah, I like around 106, 5. Did it change? Why in my head? Why is this showing? Okay, the IS is 106, 517, but I will take out 106, 520. So expectation is for us to take out that high. Also, we have a buy side here. We have a buy side here already that we are supposed to take. I don't know what. Let me see. This buy side needs to be taken. So we need to move in this. Since it broke, let me remove this. Since it broke it, let's just give it to who owns it. This is the new owner. Previous week high. This is the new owner. And previous week low. This is the new owner. Price has sustained closure bullishly, and price has not closed bearishly, so we still have a lot of bullish push on price, and expect to take out this previous week high. That's 106 100 on 30, 106 130. So expectation this week we should close above this and take this. So we have two buy sides that we are looking at, the 106 130 and 106 520. So my bullish sentiment for USD DXY is very, very active. So in as much I'm looking for bullish setups, let's go down to what we have on the lower time frame. Now this is a very standard doji inside a demand zone, and after this doji I believe to see a candle that will take out this liquidity, which is somehow like a morning star candle. So anytime I see this long doji, I always want to see a big candle beside it, somewhat like this here, somewhat like this. Always note after doji we always have a very big push out, and I can see that we have a very important news today, which is Powell's speech. And Powell's speech is going to push price up. As trader, we all know that Powell has without talking, Powell can just come on and boom, everywhere bust. Yeah, that's how Powell does. So today, which is on 4 hour, I spot yesterday, which is on Monday, the price will revisit this demand, and this demand takes out liquidity, change character. Price didn't come into it immediately last week, and price boom up, started ranging and sold off, which was last week. It sold off and it came back into, immediately it came back into it. I was interested in buys, so I saw the first closure was a bullish and was a good candle, then I knew we're in. Then this next candle came down as far as lower time frame confirmation to pick up the buy side, because I know this is a lower time frame confirmation, maybe like 15 minutes or 5 minutes entry. For this is a confirmation entry. This bullish engulfing tapping into this demand is confirmation entry. If you go to a lower time frame, you see this entry here, and price is heading. Now we have a relatively equal highs here, which is funds for us. You can see how I put it out. They are massive funds for us. So this is the first fund that we should take this morning. We should take this fund this morning before Powell's speech. Then we should head for, why am I not seeing my weekly highs? Okay, maybe it stopped on daily. We should head for this guy, 106 520. We should head for him as we are closer to the supply. There seems to be a supply ahead of us. Yeah, there seems to be one supply ahead of us. Okay, there seems to be this supply ahead of us, but I'm not really interested in that supply though. I'm not interested, but you know, what I'm expecting is the first price should bring in. Price should bring in a massive force to take out this high and this supply. So if price wants to take out this supply, then we should have a solid push that will tear out that supply and flip it. Okay, I think that's that on DXY. I don't want this video to be long, so we are still following market structure, which is breaking to the highs. So we've not seen any sell setup yet. I've not seen any sell setup yet. All I'm seeing is market is shifting higher, creating new high in price. All right, thank you guys. Be careful out there though, but with what the market structure is giving, I can't do nothing else. I'm following the price. So if the price changes and take out a very important demand, then I'll have a reason to sell. But presently I don't have any reason to sell. That's why I only have reasons to buy. So thank you guys for your love and for your likes, your subscription. I love you guys. See you next week.